What's up, Hot Wheels fans and diecast lovers? Today we've got something absolutely iconic to unbox. The '89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG. Let's get into it. This gem right here is part of the 2024 Hot Wheels mainline, number 150 out of 250, and sits at number 4 in the Factory Fresh series. That's already making it a must-grab for collectors. Take a look at that metallic silver finish, the sharp body lines, and those clean chrome wheels. This casting pays tribute to the legendary German luxury performance coupe, the 560 SEC AMG, a true icon of the late 80s. What makes this model really special is not just the design, it's the nostalgia. AMG's legacy starts here, and for diecast investors, pieces like this often increase in value, especially in mint condition. So should you grab this model? Absolutely, whether you're building your personal dream garage or looking to flip in the future. This 560 SEC AMG is a worthy addition. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more epic unboxings, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite AMG model ever? Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep collecting and keep it legendary.